Hey there everyone, it's Michelle again and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for being here today. I truly appreciate it. Today, as you can tell from the title of the video, this is going to be a huge Morphe brush haul. So let's go ahead and get started. So first off, I have for you an eyeshadow palette, and this is the Dare to Create eyeshadow palette 39A. And when I saw this drop online just a few weeks ago, I had to get this for Christmas for myself. This is a beautiful, beautiful palette, and I'm so excited to have it. You can see it's got the Morphe details on the packaging. It says Dare to Create. It is beautiful, and Morphe Shadows have been reformulated, I believe, since Jaclyn Hill came on board, and they are absolutely lovely. I just love them. They have a plastic insert that has the names. I would have preferred to have the names printed on the palette, but hey ho, I guess I'll just have to keep the plastic insert, and you can see how beautiful the colors are. Look at all those transition shades in the middle. They are beautiful. You have your set of neutrals there on the left. You have all your transition shades for every skin tone. You have your burgundies and reds, your blues and your greens, and you even have a black. It is amazing. I mean, you have every color in the rainbow and you are set. So let's go ahead and swatch a few of these and see how they perform. As you can see, boom, one swipe and you are done. The reds and the burgundies and the cranberries are highly pigmented. They actually stained my skin, so I would advise wearing a primer or a paint pot or something underneath in order not to stain your skin. So that is the Dare to Create palette by Morphe. And let's get into some brushes, and I'm so excited for all of these brushes. My brushes are all falling apart, so I had to replace all my brushes. And I'm so excited. This collection, I'm not sure the name of this collection, but I will link it down below if you are interested in that. First off, I have the Morphe E53, and it is beautiful. I got this for blusher or bronzer. Amazing. And then I have the Morphe E8, and this is great for contouring. I don't have a brush like this in my collection, so I'm really excited to have this. And then I got two more fan brushes because my daughter always steals mine. These are the E60s. Very soft to the touch. Amazing for being machine-made brushes. And then I got a huge powder brush to use with my Guerlain pearls. This is the E34. It is huge, and I'm really excited to try this. It is gorgeous. And then I have for you the Morphe E53. And this could be used for blusher or bronzer as well. So soft. I want to get all of them in this collection. And then I have a flat definer brush. This is the E43. This is great for the lower lash line or applying your brows. And then I have a shadow blender, and this is the Morphe E23. And I actually want a backup of these, a couple of them, because my blenders always disappear. And then I have the Morphe E47, which is great for contouring, doing that really defined contour. I just love it. And then I have a Morphe B15, which is great for packing on shadow or blending out the lower lash line. And then I got three shadow packing brushes. These are the M166. And I got three of them because my MAC brush tends to disappear from time to time. I have another girl that lives in this house and it disappears all the time. I actually got another one. And then I have for you the Morphe 205 and 213. And this is great for blending out the lower lash line or putting a sparkly shadow on the inner corner. Great for defining as well. And then I got some blender brushes, the 514, 573, and I got dupes of those, and so I'm really excited to try those. Great for blending out the outer V or doing crease work. Beautiful. So soft to the touch. They are amazing. And then I got some MAC 217 dupes, and these are the M433s. I got two of those. I'm excited to see how those compare to the MAC 217s. And then I got another contour brush. This is the M530. Very soft, very soft. And remember, when you get new brushes, you need to wash them first. It's advisable. There's probably bacteria on them, and you want to get all of that off before you start using them. And then I have a Morphe M143 fan brush, and I'm so excited to have this. I bought one, my daughter stole it, so I had to get another one. So it performs really, really well, and I just love it. And that's it, everyone. That is my huge Morphe brush haul, plus the Dare to Create palette. I hope you enjoyed it. Please remember to like and subscribe if you did. If you want more videos like this, give me a thumbs up. I'd surely appreciate it. So that's it, everyone. I will talk to you soon, and I'll see you in my next video. Ciao, ciao. Bye-bye.